Hi you guys, I'm back. I know I didn't post any videos since Mask Monday on the 27th, this past Monday. Miss Sassy Pants, hers was the last video to post. But anyway, you're here because you want to know who the winner of the California Love giveaway. This is the palette. This is your palette. I'm talking to the winner. You can see all that glare and everything because it has the film still on it. It still has the wrapping. There's your box with your other items in it. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take a quick station break, bring the camera down in front, aim it towards my laptop. I already have the YouTube comment picker open, and we're going to do this. And the word we're looking for is California. Okay, and I said, for the love of God, please spell it correctly. The other thing that is extremely important with regards to the rules of this giveaway is I have to be able to check if I am in your channel list, meaning you are subscribed. So you can't be a private account. You have to open it up and make it public so that I can see it. Because the first thing what I do when I check your channels, I'll be the first one in the list. I will see my actual channel. It'll be the first one in the list. I shouldn't have to go search for it. It's pretty easy. It takes 2 seconds. After this, if you didn't win, if you want to make your channel private again, that's fine. But somehow, somewhere, some way, I need to be able to verify that you're subscribed to my channel. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and do something really quick. I know you might see me doing something down here, a little something, but I'm going to go ahead and I was just copying the video link. Okay. I don't think there's anything else that I needed to mention to you guys before we move on, before I bring you down here, before we let the comment picker pick a winner. So I will be back with more videos after this. See this right here? See that right there? I'm just going to share with you guys the two Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses side by side. They've been sitting down there for 2 weeks. I have like 10 boxes down there, and I have just been, I was pulled in another direction, and I'm sure Sassy told you all about that. This one right here, this one I'm done with her. So anyway, you guys hang on, and I'm going to get you sitting over on this side of the table. So be right back. All right, you guys, let's get a winner picked for the California Love palette. I had to take a little break and address another issue that was non-YouTube related. So I am back. Let's get this thing done. Okay. Let's put that URL in here. Filter out duplicate users. The comment. This one was just California, not California Love. It's just California. Okay. And no, it is not spelt incorrectly. I just did not include the capital C. Just so in case you're wondering why this has a red line underneath it. All right, let's grab our comments. We have 42. 42 of you guys entered. Let's just do this. Start your engines, right? Let's get rid of this thing. Can't stand those things on the bottom. Okay, let's do this, you guys. Everybody cross your fingers and go. Donna Williams, here we go. The packaging of the California palette is beyond amazing. Love the mirror. I'm a Midwest gal, but we have traveled many times to your great state and have enjoyed the beauty and diversity it has to offer. So everybody, let's say a big, huge congratulations to Donna Williams, the winner of the California Love eyeshadow palette. Okay, so let's go check out Donna's account. I want to make sure that, and there I am. I'm like right there. She's subscribed to me. So we do not have an issue. We are not going to have a problem there, Donna. You are completely fine. Nothing that disqualifies you in any way. All right, you guys, thank you so much for entering, and I'll see you in just a minute. Back and a name's been picked. So, all right, congratulations to Donna Williams. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who entered this giveaway. It was a pretty exciting giveaway. I actually was nervous going into it, getting ready to pick the winner. I don't know why. I just was. I guess kind of in a way I still am. You know, it's exciting because I haven't made contact with Donna yet. So one thing I do want to mention is, please, in your comments, just keep it, do not include the name. Congratulations to the winner. We'll do perfect. And to the rest of you, don't forget that the Mask Monday that Miss Sassy Pants just did and decided to give some of my stuff away. Well, guess what? I'm going to just let you know real quick. I gave her this box and told her she could go ahead and put some stuff in it. And she did. What did she put in it, you ask? I'm glad you asked. I'm glad you asked, because you asked. So she decided to go through my Morphe stuff. And she put in it a Morphe highlighter palette. This one right here. This is the 8S Stellar Impact, the high impact highlighter palette. So it does come in the box. And I love one thing about Morphe. All their products have bubble wrap. I'm just saying they do. And then she included the 9V Vintage Rose Artistry palette. This one right here. These are the colors. It's supposed to be a mystery prize, but you know what? I'm just letting you guys know, because if you didn't win this giveaway, you need to get over there and enter that giveaway. Let's see. This one is the Bronzer. It's a bronzer and contour. And it's glitterati. So, and it does have that glitter on it. I will say that. Very pretty. And if it looks like there's little swatches and stuff like that, it hasn't. I haven't used any of these. These are all duplicates. It's a very pretty palette. This is a Morphe. Again, like I said, she built the Morphe bundle. A Morphe Beauty Bundle is what she's calling it, I think. Now, this mystery prize expires, or the deadline is Sunday, January 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 2022. This is the Morphe Foundation Primer Equalizer. Is Equalizer the color? I don't know. I'm not a Morphe primer person. I've tried Morphe primers in the past. They haven't worked for me, so I think these come in boxy or something like that. But anyway, there's that. And then there is the I Got This, and that's the 4-piece eye brush set that goes with it. So those are your 5 items? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are your 5 items that are in Miss Sassy Pants Mask Monday Mystery Prize that she just announced this past Monday, the 27th, December 27th. And you still have time to enter, because the deadline for the entries, and basically it closes on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, January 2nd, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So again, congratulations, Miss Donna Williams. I'm really excited for you. And what do you do next, Donna? You need to get in touch with me, either by email, which is down in the description box, or through Instagram direct messaging. So either way, it's up to you. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for playing. And boy, do I have some really, really cool giveaways coming up. You guys have no idea what I've been getting into debt, okay? Buying some really cool products, and I cannot use them all. Just, it's not going to happen. I got 2 eyes. That's it. So I'm going to share with you guys. Oh, and by the way, see this right here? The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That thing has been up there for the last week, and I'm going to film as soon as I get done here with this giveaway and get it posted. You guys take care, and I'll see ya in that video. Bye.
When everything is white